Who manages a blind trust? Have you ever wondered how a blind trust operates and who takes charge of it? A blind trust is a special arrangement in estate planning where an independent trustee manages the trust's assets without any input from the person who created the trust or the beneficiaries. This setup is designed to keep the trustor's financial matters private and to avoid any potential conflicts of interest. So, who exactly manages a blind trust? The answer is an independent trustee. This individual or organization has full discretion and control over the trust's assets and investments. Once the trust is established and funded, the trustee makes all decisions related to buying, selling, or managing the assets. Importantly, the trustor and beneficiaries do not have knowledge of the trust holdings or transactions. This means they cannot influence or direct the trustee's actions. The trustee's primary responsibility is to manage the trust assets in the best interests of the beneficiaries. They must maintain confidentiality and avoid any conflicts of interest. When the trust is irrevocable, the trustee's authority continues until the trust is terminated or the assets are distributed. In the case of a revocable blind trust, the trustor may have the power to terminate the trust but cannot direct the trustee's management decisions while it is active. From the perspective of elder law and estate law, selecting the right trustee is essential. The trustee must have a fiduciary duty to manage the trust prudently and ethically. This is especially important since the trustor and beneficiaries are kept unaware of the trust's internal affairs. This structure is often used by public officials or individuals in sensitive positions to avoid any influence over their financial holdings. In practical terms, choosing a qualified, trustworthy, and independent trustee is vital for the success of a blind trust. The trustor relies entirely on the trustee's discretion and integrity to manage the assets appropriately without oversight. This arrangement can also help protect beneficiaries from premature knowledge or control of the trust assets, which is important in managing the timing of inheritances or preserving confidentiality. In summary, a blind trust is managed by an independent trustee who operates without consulting the trustor or beneficiaries. This ensures impartial management and protects the privacy and legal interests of the trustor.